She's a wee jerk.
You're getting there. You're getting there.
I don't know.
Come on.
Crawling.
Come on. You gotta have a reward after this.
Yeah. What is the reward?
A piece of candy.
Oh. What kind?
Your kind.
Whoa. She actually was crawling.
Alright, stop moving it. Let her get a piece now. Ava, let her get a piece.
Let her get whatever she wants.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Stella.
Come on.
Come on. Get it. Catch it. Aw, you're like a baby seal. Yay, Stella!